Good evening. My name is Curtis Mattingly. It's currently July 28th, 2024. Class is FTH 223, also FTH 212 ish. And for this assignment, we're going to install a mass driver onto the stagger. And while I have it in my hand, put the slide back. There is no mag there, and we are clear. So when you see this next, for step one, the mass driver will be installed. And now we're back for part two, and again, nothing in there. Chamber. Now a functions check. Alright, so pull the trigger. Reset, pull the trigger, locks back. Everything is pretty good. Again. One thing I'd have to say is that the front of the comp, and I think it's due to being meant for actual Glocks, but got some movement to it, but I really don't think it's gonna hit at all. I don't think it's gonna hit. It doesn't go side to side far enough, but that's that. And that concludes part two. Now on to part three. As far as overview of what compensator really does, according to the lecture and other research, compensator features baffles and also feature combustion chambers for the hot gases when you fire the bullet to expand. And if you don't have those, they're not very effective. So the hot gases will exit the muzzle of the barrel, and after it does that, the gases will push forward on the compensator's baffles, and everything connected to kind of go forward. So the compensator connected to the firearm will go forward instead of up in like a recoil. So it will, like I said, it will counteract the recoil. As far as this specific compensator, so the compensator, when propelled forward by the exiting gases, will slide forward on the guide rod as a slide, and the barrel recoil will rearward. The forward moving mass will counteract the rearward moving mass, helping to reduce more felt recoil. So it is proprietary design. And also, a quick note, because it's not connected to the barrel, this could be beneficial to for states that you can't have threaded barrels. So that is a huge caveat. And show you, magazine out, nothing in the empty, and clear. As the second part of part three, the firearm up. Remove the feed source, nothing in the magazine, and checking the chamber, nothing in there. So, from what I gather, when you fire the round, on Obviously, the round will go out, and the gases following the round will go out the baffles, and also the proprietary design. It goes, I guess it kind of bleeds through the spring area. So in theory, that's supposed to drive it down, and so you can have easier follow-up shots. That's what I gather from that. Looking forward to trying to fire it and see what it really does. So, part 4. As far as part 4, the pros and cons of compensator and how they might affect the average firearm operator. Pros be better follow-up shots. Beginners might like it because less recoil. As far as the benefits, that's all I can see right there. Now the negatives is, especially with this one, it's got some movement up here. Heavy, a lot heavier, and adds length. Not going to be as easy finding holsters. There's quite a few negatives, to be honest with you. If I was in competition, maybe I'd use something like this, but as a day-to-day, if this was my personal carry, it wouldn't be useful. But it is kind of cool. So that's how I conclude this week's assignment. Thank you.